want less product for 5,000, fine by me. But it's still 5,000.
Roaches running wild. Imagine that.
Hi everyone, Andy here. So I bought this cockroach filled Xbox 360 at the flea market. I kept it in the yard near the old shed for the past year, and the time has come to open it. This video is not for the faint of heart, so only watch it if you're fine with dead bugs. You can see a few through the plastic wrap. If I made you wonder how did I end up in this situation, well, let me show it to you.
Gentlemen,
Hi.
welcome.
Hi.
Everything at half price.
All of these?
Of course.
Okay,
Look at this.
let me check it. Okay, that's soil.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Pretty good quality. That's a glove.
Only one?
Yeah, I got robbed. Look at these. These are rare collectible items. Can you see them? My boy.
It says Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah, it's a different language, you know.
Oh, okay.
Different translation for Pepsi.
How much is the Xbox?
5,000.
5,000?
Yes, but you get everything. You get 2 controllers, you get all of these video games and the headset. Also this one as well. This is barely used, barely chewed, but it works. You get this, you get the toy car, you get all the games, the 2 controllers, the system and the headset.
For 5,000?
5,000.
But
No cockroaches or anything inside. Don't worry about that. Trust me.
okay, so these controllers are not for this system. This is for the PlayStation 3 and this is for the Xbox Classic.
You are feeling silly. If you want less product for 5,000, fine by me. But it's still 5,000.
Okay, so I can pay 3.5 for the Xbox.
Okay, and you get the candy.
You have candy?
Yeah.
I don't need the games.
But why not? You can't play the Xbox without games.
But this is for a PlayStation system.
Oh, it works. Don't worry about it. Oh, look at that. Who doesn't like Exhibit? Or 50 Cent or whoever.
Oh, that's a nice game.
That's a classic. As I said before, I got robbed. They took the glove and then the game.
I only need the Xbox for 3,500. You can keep your candy and everything. I just need the Xbox. Okay.
Deal.
I'm not sure that I want to touch that.
Deal.
Okay, so
Look, sir.
okay, thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Idiot.
And basically that's how I ended up here. I'll be honest, I'm scared at some moment something jumps at me. It's Dead Space all again. To be fair, I waited this long to make sure they're dead inside. Don't inside that open. I'm losing my mind. Come on, come off. Wait a minute. It has some Sharpie markings. Leave it in the comments if you can read it. Maybe it was in a repair shop at some point. Okay, give me back my Xbox. It's mine. Any normal people will throw this out. But we're not normal around here at the Andy Maverick channel. By the way, this is not a guide. If you want to know how to disassemble one of these, you can click in the corner for my guide. I'm cool with these plastics, but they're already damaged. My main focus is the Jasper Kronos motherboard inside. And I want to get over this as quick as possible. I inspect everything, then I put them in a bin. I will wash them later. Still stuck there. Yuck. Moment of truth.
Apartment is overrun with cockroaches.
No signs of life. I repeat, no signs of life. Now this is disgusting. Rusty roach poop all over. Blah. But I need that motherboard.
Yoink. 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 Yoink.
So basically these are all German cockroaches. They got their name after drinking too much beer and eating too many pretzels at Oktoberfest. Just joking. What the actual... Why... The roaches stole my fan? You can't make this up. I heard something rattling inside, but I thought it was a game disc. Well, I will throw this out. Some more Sharpie marks. Okay, no presents under here. I'm glad to hear that. Look how they massacred my boy. I will have to change the power connector. This is full of roach poop. And we have a game in here. I hope it's nothing rare rotting in there. Need for Speed Rivals. Why does it have to be a game I actually like? Why? Well, it's disgusting.
It's hard to picture anyone surviving a wreck like that.
It should have been Need for Speed The Run. That would deserve it. Anyway, going back to removing the X-clamps. And there's more. I plan on reusing the screws, so I submerge them in some disinfect. I remove everything that I can with a vacuum. This is not a good idea if they're fresh. And I burn everything besides the parts and tools. Now I spray the motherboard with 99% isopropyl alcohol. And scrub it with a toothbrush. After the motherboard I wash everything else that are non-electrical with hot water and disinfect. While the other parts are drying, I clean out the disk drive. There is a good chance it was working if it had a game inside. And everything is disgusting. After cleaning them, I will put everything together to test it. I install some new thermal paste to test it. If I can save this console, I clean it properly and change it again. So I started assembling it, but now I need a new fan for this Xbox. I have a part system which I can steal the fan out of. And I steal the cables. They're clean at least. Moment of truth. And it works. I have to cut the video short because the disk drive is not working correctly and the HDD looks dead. I will make a part 2 for this video, where I finish it up. Please tell me in the comments what you think. If you want to see my next video, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications. Special thanks to my friend Peter for starting as a salesman at the flea market. And thank you all for watching. Take care and see you next time. Bye. This thing?
I don't know what that is. But it's cheap. It is cheap. And the headset.
Okay, so
Yes? No cockroaches or anything inside. Don't worry about that. Trust me.